Hey everyone, welcome to Shima Flow Yoga. I'm Jody, and today's practice is a 15-minute Vinyasa flow. It's fast-paced, it's heat building, it's going to get your energy moving, and you might even sweat just a little bit. Sometimes we just don't have time to fit a 60-minute yoga practice into our day, so this video is perfect for those days. You're going to feel empowered, you're going to feel accomplished, and you're going to feel really good that you honored your body, your mind, and your soul today. So grab your yoga mat and let's find your happy place. Let's get started in a kneeling position. Okay. Place your hands comfortably on your lap. If for some reason this position does not work for you today, find some type of grounding position, seated, legs can be extended out, whatever works best for your body. Okay. Lengthen up, rise up through the spine, soften your shoulders. And let's establish our breath now. This practice is short but efficient, and the dynamic breath is super important to get the energy and the warmth moving in the body. So let's breathe in through the nose. Open mouth, exhale. So kind of that ha whisper sound, right? You're going to keep that ha, that constriction on the back of the throat as you inhale through the nose. Open mouth, exhale. One more time, inhale. Open mouth, exhale. Keep the constriction, inhale. Keep your mouth closed this time, exhale through your nose. Let's move to the hands and knees. So you guys, as you can tell, even the sound of that breath is very soothing and allows us to connect. And this is what we want to do for the next several minutes that we practice together, is to connect our breath and body. Starting with sunbird flow, lift the right knee up. So think about cow pose. Push into the hands, anchor the tailbone, just ground that tailbone. Lift the knee, lift the chest, look up. Okay, feel compression in the spine, strength through your glute, exhale, round the spine, push away like a cat stretch. Inhale, lift up, look up. Exhale, press away. We're going to have a good pace here. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, round the spine. Let's do 2 more times. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, round. One more. Inhale, lift up, hold it. Okay, now take the left hand behind. See if you can grab your ankle, lift the knee. Lift the gaze. Hold and breathe here. Find steadiness, but embrace all those subtle movements as we hold balance. Good. Extend the right leg. Reach the left arm forward. Drop the right hip so it's in line with the left. Spinal balance. Pull your belly in. Lift your pelvic floor. Flex through the foot. Squeeze through your thigh. Lifting up. You can feel the hamstring. You can feel the glute. Engage. Take one more breath. And exhale, release. Left knee rises. Inhale. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift. Keep pushing through the hands. Arms are straight. Exhale, round. Press away. Nice stretch through the back. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. 2 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. One more time. Inhale, up. Find balance. Reach back with the right hand. Grab the left ankle, lifting your knee, lifting your chest. Breathing. Keep the low belly in. Keep lifting the pelvic floor. It's squeezing and lifting your bathroom muscles. Continue to focus on the breath, right? Our victorious whisper sounding breath. And then extend the right arm, left leg, spinal balance. Good. Keep reaching and lengthening. Feel the yoga muscles engage. Super strong here. Inhale. And exhale, release. Tuck your toes, lift your hips, downward facing dog. Push into your hands, let the chest melt. Tailbone rises as your heels press. As anytime, you can bend your knees here, especially if you feel restriction through the upper body, little bend. Restriction through the lower body, a little bend. Good. Sway your hips left to right. Inhale. Come up on the toes, bend your knees. Exhale, step or jump to the top of the mat. Inhale, lift halfway. Your fingertips can reach the floor or hands to shins. Exhale, fold, drop the head, look towards your legs. Inhale, rise, stretch your arms up. Exhale, grab your left wrist and bend to the right. Inhale, come up, switch sides. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, reach up, look up. Exhale, forward fold, come all the way down. Inhale, flat back, peek forward. Exhale, plant your hands, step or jump to the back of the mat. Bend your elbows, knees up or down, lower. Flip your feet, straighten your arms, rock the tailbone down as you lift the heart, up dog, look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up, bend the knee, open up the hip, explore some of the sensation. Exhale, step your right foot between the hands, anchor the back heel. Inhale, warrior one. Reach the arms up, look up. Exhale, plant the hands, step back and lower to the floor. Inhale, upward facing. Here's your back bend. Exhale, downward facing. Lift the left leg up, inhale. Exhale, step it all the way through. Anchor the back heel, warrior one. Inhale, arms reach, look up. Exhale, release, step back and lower to the floor. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Good. Pause for just a moment. Now, you notice that heat in your body? We're going to continue to build some heat here. So let's keep moving. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, step or jump your feet forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, drop down, head's heavy. Inhale, stand up. Grab the left wrist. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, over to the left. Inhale, reach up, look up. Exhale, fold forward. Come on down. Bend the knees if you need to. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, plant your hands, step back. Let's lower to the floor. Inhale, into your back bend. Look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take the right leg up. Inhale. Exhale, step it forward. Warrior one. Let's reach the arms up. Inhale, look up. Exhale, clasp your hands behind your back. Interlace your fingers. Now, puff your chest up and look up. Inhale. Exhale, bow down, humble warrior. Bring your right shoulder to the inside of your right knee. Inhale, plant the hands, step back to plank. Exhale, lower, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg up, deep breath in. Exhale, step through, anchor your back heel, warrior one. Inhale, arms reach. Exhale, clasp your hands. This time, change the finger that's on top. It's going to feel a little funky, right, as we change that grip. Inhale. And exhale, bow down, arms rise, look behind you. Inhale, step back to plank pose. Exhale, lower, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Good. Pause right here. Push away. Start to feel yourself sinking deeper in your downward facing. Again, bend the knees if you need to. Whatever you need to do to get the most out of this practice. No expectation, no judgment. Inhale, bend your knees. Exhale, float your feet forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold all the way down. Rise up. Inhale, big sweep up. Exhale, side bend over to the right. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, over to the left. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold, dive down. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, let's take it back. Lower the body, knees up or down. Inhale, upward dog, thighs up or down. Exhale, downward dog. Right leg lifts, inhale. Exhale, step it through, back heel spins down, arms up. Inhale, warrior one, look up. Exhale, clasp the hands behind you. Inhale, lean back, lift the heart. Exhale, fold, lift the arms, drop the head. Now inhale, walk the hands forward, lift your back leg up. And pause right here. Find length through your spine. Keep your left hand down on your fingertips. You guys think about lifting up through your chest. And then float the right arm up, externally rotating through the shoulder. Revolve to half moon. Let's hold it here for 5. See if you can take the gaze up. 4, if it doesn't bother your neck. 3, keep lifting that back leg up. 2, 1, release. Step back to plank and lower. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Lift the left leg up. Inhale. Exhale, step through. Anchor the back heel. Arms reach, look up. Exhale, clasp the hands. Interlace your fingers. Inhale. Heart rises. Exhale. Fold forward. Inhale, walk it forward. Find length through the spine. Good. Right hand down, right on the fingertips. Slowly start to twist. Externally rotate through this left shoulder. Lift the left arm up. You feeling that in the hamstring? I sure am. Straighten the legs. Squeeze to lift up. Don't worry about what you look like. Focus on what you feel in your body. We know the general shape we're supposed to be in, and we're going to do our best to get there. Good. Inhale. Woo. Exhale, release. Lower down. You feel those yoga muscles? All right. Take it back. Downward facing. All right. Take a few breaths. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, float your feet between your hands. Come right into chair. Big toes touch. Bending your knees. Lifting your arms. Squeezing your thighs together. Now, make sure we're sending the hips back. A little anchor through that tailbone. Take the gaze between the hands. Let's breathe right here. We're going to focus on the feet. 4 corners pressing down. Relax through the toes. Good. Start to allow the sensation to travel up. We feel through the thighs. It's strong, right? Thighs, glutes. Zip it up. Pull the belly in. Keep the gaze up. One more inhale. Exhale. Come all the way down to a seat. Inhale. Lift your legs up. Boat pose. Open the chest. Keep the gaze lifted. Now, you can bend your knees. You can grab the back of the thighs. You can even let those toes touch. Focus on squeezing. You can try to begin to straighten the legs a little bit. Even if you can only hold it for a breath, the more you practice, the more you start to strengthen through the thighs, through the hips. Good. Take it back. Inhale, half boat. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, take it back. Exhale, squeeze it up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Ooh, exhale. Take it back. Take it up. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Roll back. Knees up. Bicycle. Side to side. Now, as you're moving, keep your navel pressed down. 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6, 7. Control. 8, 9, 10. Good. Release. Whew. Feet down, knees bent, arms to your sides. Anchor the tailbone, little pelvic tilt, lift the hips up, roll up, walk the shoulders in. Let's see if we can interlace our fingers into bridge pose. Good. Pressing through the feet, inner thighs moving towards each other. Watching the rise and fall of your chest and your belly as you breathe in and out. Lower down, cross your right leg over your left and pull your legs in. Grab the outside of your left shin. Feel the stretch through the right hip. So very quick, active practice to get our body moving, the energy flowing, to feel a sense of accomplishment, especially in these busy days that we tend to have, even if we fit in 15 minutes of a yoga practice. Release the foot down. Now keep your leg crossed just like this. Drop over to the left. Let the sole of your foot rest and the right knee point up, and just take a twist here. You can even push the right leg away a little bit to get deeper through the hip, through the side. Come back to center, left foot over, pull the legs in. Press the knee away. Great hip stretch here. release down. Keep the ankle crossed over. Just scoot your hips to the left a little bit. Drop over to the right. So the sole of the foot presses down, the knees up. Even pressing away a little bit through this leg can give you a really nice stretch. Good. And then let's come back to center. Bring your knees into your chest. Curl up, forehead to knees. In this practice, it's still so important to take rest. So let's take 1 minute here of Shavasana. Extend your legs out to the corners of the mat. Relax your arms to your sides. In our final rest, we relax our bodies. Our minds are calm and clear and very alert, soaking up all the sensation that this practice has brought to our bodies. Namaste.